Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my TrafficMate review and demo. Now, I have a well over $3,000 worth of bonuses for you. I'm going to show you the bonuses in the end of this video. But first of all, let me tell you what TrafficMate is. It is a brand new app released by Mike, Luan and Radu, three amazing marketers, and they always do a very cool thing because they include a developer's license with the main product, which means that you can actually use it for your clients, or even if you would just want to sell services on Fiverr. So what it does, it will generate traffic for you in 3 different ways. I'm going to show you exactly how, and it also generates reports which you can sell as well. So again, developer's license is included with this. So if you are totally new to all this, you don't know where to send the traffic, you don't know what to do with it, you don't have a website, etc., you can just use this piece of software to sell gigs on Fiverr, to sell traffic or just traffic services to your local clients, to your offline clients, to anywhere you want. Okay, so again, these kind of gigs on Fiverr are selling from anywhere from $25 to like $500. So we're gonna jump into it. Let me share my screen and let's jump into this TrafficMate review. And just to show you a few gigs on Fiverr, okay? I typed in social media traffic, which is one of the ways you can generate traffic with TrafficMate. And as you can see, these gigs, first of all, are selling in the hundreds, and second of all, people are charging a lot of money for these gigs. So again, you can generate traffic for yourself and send it anywhere you want, to affiliate offers, CPA offers, to your e-com store, wherever you want, or you can just start selling a gig on Fiverr just like these guys. 70 euro, which is like $80, another 70 euro, which is another $80 right here. So as you can see, these gigs are essentially selling social media traffic, and this guy sold 200, this guy sold 98, this guy sold 180. You get the point. You can just go to Fiverr and look this up yourself. These gigs are selling in the hundreds, and that's just one gig you can actually sell with this piece of software. Another gig is writing blog posts. Okay, so this piece of software will actually create unique pieces of content for you. So obviously you can use it on your blog, you can use it on your website, or you can just sell it as a service. And again, as you can see, people are charging anywhere from $5 for like 50 to 100 words, to depending on how long the article is, up to $200. So as you can see, we have $20, $25, $125, 30, 18, 14, 10, 25 again. So again, depending on how long the text actually is, you can charge much more money. And obviously it doesn't really matter to you because you won't be writing anything. This is automatically created for you, so all the content is done for you, and you can just sell it on Fiverr super easily. And obviously writing blog posts is just one thing. You can write articles, you can write SEO content, a bunch of different things. And actually one of my bonuses will show you exactly how to do it and how to sell on Fiverr, okay? And the third gig, SEO traffic. Now this is a huge category, and actually I just found out that SEO is a $80 billion industry. So people with blogs, people owning just any kind of an offline business, they are all spending money on SEO on sites like Fiverr or anywhere else. They go to freelancer.com, they go to Upwork, they hire local agencies for SEO. So obviously every single one, every single person that owns a website or owns a business wants to be on the first page of Google, and you can cash in on this trend. As you can see, these gigs again sell for $20, $10 here, 20, 25. As you can see, just type in SEO traffic into Fiverr or any other freelancing website, and you can see how many gigs that these people are selling. And this person right here, $5 just for keyword research. And keyword research is something that you can actually generate with a simple report in under a minute. So with that being said, let's check out the sales page. And the sales page will be looking like this. So as you can see, the first thing they say, warning, commercial license for early adopters only. So the commercial license is included, which means you don't have to pay extra for it, and you can use this software to again sell SEO services, traffic to your clients or on sites like Fiverr. But keep in mind, you have to get in early on this to get the commercial license for free. Now, sell SEO services, viral traffic, and unique content using game-changing software that gets you visitors on demand. The easiest way to start your own online business and get unlimited targeted visitors to any site on earth. So again, you can obviously use this piece of software for yourself if you need traffic, if you want to boost your SEO, but you can also do this for your clients. Number one rankings in no time for you or your clients. You can sell backlinks, keyword research, viral social media traffic, and also 100% unique content on sites like Fiverr or anywhere else. You can drive unlimited visitors to any niche, obviously. No monthly fees, that's the big one, and 100% newbie friendly. And you can very easily make $500 to $1,000 per day in profit. And again, free commercial license will be included, but just for the early bird adopters. So as always, you can go through the whole sales page in your own time. I'm just going to hit on some key points. So again, 3 steps. These guys have some massive proofs. As you can see, the first page on Google right here, not only the first page, but the first position in some cases. Third position right here, massive proof. Both traffic and also profits, because obviously, you can flip these services. You can use it for affiliate marketing or again, CPA marketing or anything else you really want. And again, take a look at these gigs, $440 per gig for an SEO audit and on-page optimization. Another gig on Conquer, $1,000, pretty crazy, right? And keep in mind, people are actually buying these services because they don't know how to do it themselves. They don't have the time. They are busy running their businesses and they just want someone else to do it for them. Again, SEO services is an $80 billion industry. You can get a piece of that pie. And TrafficMate, that's the name of this new product, a completely done for you business. So these guys will have a little demo right here, and I'm going to have the same demo on my blog and on my YouTube channel, and I'm actually going to show you how this works in this video as well. Scrolling down again, you can go through all of this in your own time. Some more proof right here, some testimonials, and a little sum up right here, and obviously you're going to get a 30 days money back guarantee. Radu, Mike, and Luan, these are the 3 guys behind this product. You probably know them, and that's it. So let me show you the training that is included first, and then I'm going to show you the installed software. Okay, so as you can see, you get the social media traffic overview right here. Auto content creation, so that's the second thing you can do. SEO traffic, that's the third thing. So this software does 3 things. Again, you'll be able to generate social media traffic, you can get auto content created for you, and you can get SEO traffic, obviously. So 3 gigs, and you also have cron job set up right here. So essentially you're getting 4 videos because that's all you need. You don't need anything else. It's super easy to start implementing and make money with. Okay, now this is how it looks like. So as you can see, the TrafficMate is already installed right here. So we have the welcome message right here. When we're going to click on social media traffic, as you can see, this is how it looks like. So we have the post title, we have the post URL, and then we can share it on Facebook or on Twitter. So let me just copy this and show you how a post looks like. Okay, so this is how a post will look like. And obviously, again, you can do this for yourself or for your clients. Going back here to auto content creation, as you can see, we can do an article search, we have the video search and the image search. So all you have to do is just enter a keyword, find a category, and then you can find any piece of content, spin it, and this way you're gonna get a unique piece of content. Again, you can use this on your own website, your own blog, so you can just sell it super easily, and you don't have to write anything yourself, which means that you can spin anything and then just send it to your buyer, which normally this takes like under a minute. So, and again, I'm going to have a full demo for you both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so I'm not going to be showing you all of this right now. And then we have the SEO traffic tab right here. So again, you can create backlinks with this, and again, you can use these backlinks for yourself, or you can sell these backlinks on sites like Fiverr. So we have the URL, keyword, and requested backlinks. As you can see, we can create up to 100 backlinks at a time. Okay, so Super powerful 3-in-1 tool, super easy to use, and as you can see, obviously video training is included. Now let's talk about the pricing and the OTOs. As you can see, the main product will be $17, which is crazy because you can make this investment back with just one silly gig on Fiverr, and obviously you can start creating any number of gigs that you want, and you can do it in 4 different categories. So first of all, let me show you the prices, and then we will talk about what each one actually is. So audio number 1 is a pro version, $47. Audio number 2 is a done for you bundle, $37. Audio number 3 is a reseller's license, $67. And audio number 4 is IMX Club, $67. Now, as always, guys, I have a full written review right here on my blog, and this will include all of the upsells. So main product, again, $17, and everything that I just showed you in this video is included, including the commercial license if you will show up early. Now, TrafficMate Pro, $67. That's the pro version, so the main version has some limitations, but if you want to unlock all the limitations and actually unlock some additional features, that's the pro version, $67. The done for you pack will include some done for you materials that will include done for you campaigns. So essentially you can just copy and paste these and start making money immediately. That will be $47. Audio number 2. Audio number 3, we have the reseller's license. Obviously you know how this works, $67, and this will allow you to sell TrafficMate as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the main product and all of the upsells. So me as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions on this. If you want 100% commissions, that's audio number 3. And then the last one, they call it TrafficMate IMX for $67. And what it is all previously released products released by Mike, Radu, and Luan. So all of the products they already released, plus all the new ones, all the future products. So if they are going to release something in 3 weeks, in 4 weeks, in 6 weeks, in 2 months, 3 months, you are getting all of these products for free, okay? And this will be $67. Now, I mentioned to you I have some exclusive bonuses worth well over $3,000, so let me list all of this for you right now. And before I do, let me just mention that TrafficMate will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on January 22nd. And again, if you want to show up early, you're gonna get the commercial license included for free. So first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses, and I made these free especially for this promotion, and this will include secret SEO hacks, okay, and some traffic bonuses as well. So free custom-made bonuses, that's the number 1, 2, and 3 bonus. You're also gonna get some software bonuses from me, okay? So first of all, you're gonna get Control Press, excuse me. This is a software bonus plus a reseller's license to it. You're gonna get VidPix Pro, another software plus resellers. You're gonna get Logo Studio for creating logos, software bonus number 3 plus a reseller's license. You're gonna get VidConnect, that's software number 4, and a reseller's license as well. Software number 5, we got Vid Promo Pages. You're gonna get the resellers to this one as well, and Facebook Vidmatic. That's software number 6 and a reseller's license as well. Now, I'm also going to give you rapid niche profits for making money outside of the Make Money Online niche. You're gonna get targeted traffic cache search, which is a course on Bing ads, newbie traffic formula on getting traffic outside of the Make Money Online niche, and 12 additional software bonuses. You're gonna get local SEO leverage, and some of these do include a reseller's license, okay? So local SEO leverage, new age SEO, black hat SEO, get Google traffic, backlink basics, traffic explosion, 10 steps, auditing SEO skills mastery, traffic inclination, recurring income course. You're gonna get targeting, Instagram video, and product creation formula. And on top of all this, I'm going to give you 8 additional bonuses: Udemy profits, video opt-in, blog book, buzz machine, flash pages, link tweets, scarcity log, and squeeze question. Now, this will be a total of $1,625, but you're gonna get my mega bonus on top of all this. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. So my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $3,125. Now, Again, you're gonna get all of these bonuses from me for free, just as a thank you for picking up TrafficMate from with my link at 11 a.m. Eastern on January the 22nd. And let me just mention to you that I have a full written review on my blog as well, so you can read through it if you want to, and if you like reading a part of watching these review videos. Now, let me sum up this TrafficMate review for you real quickly. You're gonna get #1 rankings in no time for yourself and for your clients. You can sell backlinks, you can sell keywords, you can sell traffic, you can sell content, unlimited visitors. Obviously this works in any niche, no monthly fees, this is the big one, and you can make $500 to $1,000 in profit just by selling these gigs, or obviously you can do this for yourself. So check out my full written review, and obviously this will include all of the bonuses. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonuses after you will pick up TrafficMate from my link. Okay, so just go to your Warrior Plus account, click on your icon in the top right corner, go to purchase history, then you should see TrafficMate right here. Click on the access button, and below the green button that says access the members area, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. So these bonuses will be delivered to you automatically. You don't have to send me emails, you don't have to send me receipts, it's all automatic. Okay, so this is how you claim my bonus. And again, I really like this product. And why? First of all, you're gonna get a commercial license included with this, which means that you can make some super easy and fast money on sites like Fiverr. So normally people charge anywhere from $67 to $97 for a commercial license like this, and you're gonna get it for free. And this will be included with the main price, and obviously it's less than $17. So it's super crazy because you can make it back with just one Fiverr gig, or obviously you can get these page 1 rankings for yourself. So again, I really like it. Make sure to show up for the early bird, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please like this video on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. I recently started doing interviews with vendors as well, so that's a cool thing I start doing for you guys as well. So again, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next review video. Ciao.